Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a private channel on Discord. Maybe you want to create a dedicated space for a specific group of people within your server, or simply want to have a private channel for a special event or discussion. So today I'm going to show you how to create a private channel on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server that you want to create a private channel. For example, I will choose this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can now see this Create Channel option. Simply tap on it. A new window will appear, and here, you can now type in your channel name. For example, I will name it Project. Next, below, choose the channel type that you want. I will choose text. After that, since you wanted to make this channel private, toggle on this button beside this private channel option. Once done, tap on Next. Here, you can add the members that you want to be part of this private channel. Once you have selected your members, tap on this Create option. After that, you now have successfully created a private channel on Discord. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a private channel on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a private channel on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.